Makura dread. Makura dread.
Yeah. Makura.
Makura, 15 years you have been doing this. And then I can see you are really a professional here, guys.
Good afternoon, guys. Can you see this is another face of Johannesburg? Which side of Johannesburg do you know? Please give me a comment below after watching this video till the end. My name is Fokou. Stay tuned till the very end of this video.
Guys, this is the original Rasta, guys. Can you see how he's good on his job? Can you see this guy? Very good on his job. Wow. Tell me how long you have been doing this?
Over 15 years.
15 years?
It's more than that.
More than 15 years that you have been doing this?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name?
Makura.
Makura, 15 years you have been doing this. And then I can see you are really a professional here, guys. So
thank you
if somebody need this,
a compliment.
Yeah, guys.
0833
0833
0287
0287
68.
Yeah. That's good. And then we can call for Makura. Makura dread. Makura dread.
Yeah. And we style dreads at different prices.
Yeah. The price start from
450 when starting.
450
when starting.
Yes.
Yeah, you bring yourself here and then we can start.
Okay. 450 in the beginning.
Yeah.
If you want to maintain, if you have a direct solo already,
350. Yeah, that's the list price.
And then you are always here.
Every day.
I
don't miss a day.
Oh my brother. No, yeah. I like the uniform. You know, it's a real professional, guys. You can see yourself.
Okay. Oh,
wow.
Thank you.
Real professional. Wow, my friend.
You know, when you are doing something, you need to show by your regalia again.
Yes.
Your costume tells everything.
Yes. That shows that you are a real professional.
Yeah.
15 years, not 15 days, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
15 years, not 15 days.
15 years doing dreadlocks.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, you can see yourself. Oh, he's actually making a woman so beautiful here, eh? Unfortunately, I can't show you the face of this woman. Huh? She's so beautiful.
Maybe she's interested.
Oh, that's beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
See the way he's fast doing this thing, guys. Check the way he's fast doing it.
Yeah, it's because of many years doing the same thing. So you end up getting experience because of getting exposed to one thing over the years.
Here in Johannesburg, I'm here with my friend. You guys can come and support him. He's actually a good professional on dreadlocks, guys, here at Juba Park. Wow.
People are free to call me. Sometimes I can even do house calls.
Yeah.
If
you can go to the house and do it as well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We talk and then.
So guys, you can actually call him.
Transport and then I can I can come to your place.
Yes,
and do
if they call you,
Yeah.
and you can come to their house and do it. Wow. Come and support my friend here, guys, at Joburg Park. Joburg Park, in the entrance of the park, actually, you're gonna see my friend here, specialized in dreadlocks.
Guys, you can judge yourself. How is the CBD of Johannesburg? Give me a comment below.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, if you are new here, please do subscribe. If you like what we are doing here, support the channel, guys. That is very, very important for this channel.
usanele ubanele anele ngamshiya kanjani kodwa wakhona ngiyokubona ngafuni ngapha
I believe that you have been at this Johannesburg CBD. I still believe you are capable to give me in the comment below what has changed in 10 years back, 5 years back, or 1 year back. Thank you for watching. Before you go, please do give me a comment below concerning your point of view of this CBD, Johannesburg in South Africa. We are on the year 2025.